Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zoom in and zoom out video on CapCut. So make sure your videos are 1 second each. Then I'm just going to select the video. I'm just going to then select basic. I think I missed it. Okay, there we go. Add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end you're just going to want to scale it to 120%. Press the checkmark button, and you're just going to do the opposite thing on the second one. Add a keyframe, and you're just going to again go to basic and scale it to 120%, and then go to the first one, add a keyframe, go to basic and have it to the original 100% one. Okay, I missed it completely, and you can like copy and paste that, but maybe later. Go to this one, add a graph, and add in the flow 2, and then also add that to this one as well, flow 2. Oops, that's flow 3. And you can just copy and paste the video a few times here and add it to like this one, and then copy this one as well and add it to the right one. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!